Welcome to Ancient Greek Online. This is Professor Peak, and this is the video to accompany Module 10. In this video, we are going to be going over the endings for first and second declension adjectives of 3 endings and first and second declension adjectives of 2 endings. But first, a little review. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi, omicron, pi, rho, sigma, tau, upsilon, phi, chi, psi, omega. Long vowels, a, e, o, u. Short vowels, I, a. Diphthongs, I, oi, we. Ow, u. First declension nouns ending in eta. A is a, ain, a. I own, ice, as, I. First declension nouns ending in long alpha. A, as, a, an, a. I own, ice, as, I. Second declension masculine feminine nouns. Os, u, o, on, e. Oi, own, ois, us, oi. Second declension neuter nouns. On, u, o, on, own, ois, a. The article. Ha, he, ta. Tu, taste, tu. To, te, to. Ton, cane, ta. Hoi, hi, ta. Tone, tone, tone. Tois, tis, tois. Tus, tas, ta. Now let's go over first and second declension endings for adjectives. The endings are exactly the same as the nouns. Okay, here we go. Masculine, os, u, o, on, e. Oi, on, o, ois, us, oi. Feminine, for those ending in feminine eta endings. A is a, ain, a. I own, ice, as, I. Feminine long alpha endings. A, as, a, an, a. I own, ice, as, I. Neuter. On, u, o, on, own, ois, a. Those are the endings for first and second declension adjectives with 3 endings. Now the first and second declension adjectives with 2 endings. Masculine, feminine endings are os, u, o, on, e. Oi, own, ois, us, oi. And the neuter, on, u, o, on, own, ois, a. Finally, what I want to do is go over some additional things to keep in mind. The first is final oi and I are short for purposes of accentuation. The second is you use the long alpha endings if the stem ends in epsilon, iota, or rho. Otherwise, use the eta endings. Third is that in the first declension, the genitive plural has a circumflex fixed on the ultima. The other thing I want to go over is that for these adjectives, the accent is persistent, it is fixed and given by the neuter nominative singular. For these adjectives, if you take a look at the feminine endings, they're exactly the same as the endings for first declension nouns. However, there's one exception to that, and that is there is not a fixed accent on the genitive plural. You do not have a fixed accent on the ultima. And the last thing I want to go over is if you're dealing with a first and second declension noun or a first and second declension adjective, and the ultima has an acute on it, then in the genitive and dative singular and plural, that acute will change to a circumflex. That is it for Module 10. I wish you the best in with this video and in this course. Keep up the good work. I'm happy with the progress everybody is making, and this is the end. Thank you for listening.